Hello and welcome to CMT Trade Fair, Mobilvetta Design. Let's have a look at a Mobilvetta motorhome, and we'll have a look at this one over here, which is the i85 integrated vehicle, large garage, and for something like this you're looking at 106,347 euros. It is in length, I'll give you some of the details as well, 747 centimeters long, 235 wide, 295 in height, and if it's on a 3.5 ton basis, it will give you about 450 tons of payload. And if you believe that, then you'll probably believe lots of other things I tell you as well. I don't think that's possible, but we'll see. Of course, you can put it on a higher gross vehicle weight, which would make, I think, all the difference. Mobilvetta Design, very attractive vehicles inside, and lots of storage. And here we've got a German layout, storage all around the bed, with this one here also leading into the garage. We have here a very nice sauna-like washroom. Good benefit from proper large domestic sized drainage plugs. I think there's sort of an unusual shape in there. This basin might look good in a hotel or a public convenience, but it's not much use in a motorhome, in my opinion. Let's see if I get the lights on. No, I can't. Did I turn the 12 volt on when I came in? Can't remember doing so. Never mind. 3 burners here, fridge there, storage below the in the kitchen block. Over here we find we've got a large fridge and freezer unit above it. That's a 3-way unit, and up here we've got more storage. Bed will drop down, and a enormous table in the lounge as well. Can I take the bed down? No, it says only use by the stand personnel. Good. Also point out, there you go, a little bit of storage here. This is something daft, because this here comes out, slides out like that, but it doesn't go at the very back. Now some of them, this one's so bad, but there's those that only go about 2/3 of the way. Really daft, a waste of space in my opinion. I like the shape of this, like the contours, that looks all very nice. I think if you get a Mobilvetta, you get it because you like the styling of it. I think that is the main function of it. Those wanting to buy one, blind in the door, which has 2 points, locking points. It's got a big bin for the dog's lead, and it's got a mirror as well. In the rear, the garage is very large. There's the door into the garage I mentioned earlier. Also comes without a shower, and this place down here for 2 electrical connections inside. Okay, good. That was a very quick video. I'll leave a link for a much longer video that I've done on it for the moment. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.